This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by the Swanson Group. Charming home with all the bedrooms or offices you'll need in the coveted Birchwood neighborhood. Large, level, and sunny 1/3 acre lot gives you many options. Fenced backyard and workshop with plenty of room to add a garage / shop if desired. Room to garden and play. 5 bedrooms and 1.75 baths. Sunny breakfast nook off kitchen. Basement bedrooms have egress windows. 3 adjacent properties are also for sale if you want more space, want to have a neighboring income property, or want a multi-generational village. Nice hardwood floors under laminate and living room. For more information, review the details below.